Hi class, now it's English time. Today we're going to learn about Unit 9, What Should We Do? Today's topic is about how to use a fire extinguisher. By the end of this lesson, people should be able to recognize and read words, phrases, and simple sentences correctly. Let us summarize the previous topic about Unit 9, What Should We Do, that we have learned before. What is the meaning of emergency situations? Apakah yang dimaksudkan dengan situasi kecemasan? Examples of emergency situations are accident, fire, robbery, injury, and many more. Contoh situasi kecemasan adalah kemalangan, kebakaran, kecederaan atau rompakan, dan lain-lain lagi. What should we do when an emergency situation happens? First thing first, we should call 999. We should do an emergency call. We call the local authorities such as fire station. The firefighter will come and help us. Also the hospital, the paramedic will come and help us. Police station, the police will come and help us to control the situation. For today's topic, we're going to learn how to use a fire extinguisher. Untuk topik kali ini, kita akan belajar cara-cara menggunakan alat pemadam kebakaran. Fire extinguisher. Alat pemadam kebakaran. What is this? What is this? This is a fire extinguisher. This is a fire extinguisher. Apakah ini? Ini adalah alat pemadam kebakaran. Let's take a look the part of a fire extinguisher. Lever, lever. Handle, handle, handle. Safety pin, safety pin. Hose, hose, hose. Nozzle, nozzle, nozzle. Now we know what is a fire extinguisher. Sekarang kita tahu apakah itu alat pemadam kebakaran. When will we use a fire extinguisher? Bilakah masa kita akan menggunakan alat pemadam kebakaran? We will use a fire extinguisher when the fire happen. Kita akan menggunakan alat pemadam kebakaran apabila berlakunya kebakaran. Let's learn how to use a fire extinguisher. We're going to use a fire extinguisher by using the PASS method. Remember this acronym class, PASS method. P-A-S-S. Let's learn more about past method. Step 1. P. P stands for pull. Pull the safety pin. Tarik pin keselamatan. Step 2. A for aim. Aim the nozzle to the base of the fire. Halakan muncung kepada punca kebakaran. Jarakkan diri dari punca kebakaran. Step 3. S. S for squeeze. Squeeze the lever. Tekan tuas pada alat pemadam api. Step number 4. Sweep. Sweep the nozzle from side to side. Hayunkan atau sapukan muncung ke arah pangkal api dari arah sebelah kiri ke kanan. Hayunkan. Remember the past method if you want to use a fire extinguisher. Step 1. Pull. Step 2. Aim. Step 3. Squeeze. Step 4. Sweep. Ingat penggunaan kaedah past method jika kamu hendak menggunakan alat pemadam kebakaran. But if you don't know how to use a fire extinguisher, when the fire happens, you should run away. Don't risk yourself. Kalau kamu tidak tahu menggunakan alat pemadam kebakaran, jangan tunggu. Lari daripada kebakaran itu supaya tidak ada apa-apa yang akan berlaku kepada kamu. Now we're going to read a simple passage about another emergency situation happen. Kita akan baca petikan kedua berkenaan situasi kecemasan yang lain. Let's read simple passage about Ruren and her teacher. The title of the passage is Bee Sting Treatment. Bee Sting Treatment. Rawatan sengatan lebah. One day, Ruren was stung by a bee. One day, Ruren was stung by a bee. Satu hari, Ruren disengat lebah. She was in pain. Dia sangat sakit. She quickly asked Miss Malini for help. Dengan segera dia meminta pertolongan Miss Malini. Help, pertolongan. First, Miss Malini removed the stinger. Mula-mula, Miss Malini mengeluarkan penyengat. Then, she used ice to reduce the swelling. Dia menggunakan ketulan ais untuk mengurangkan bengkak. Reduce, mengurangkan, swelling, bengkak. Miss Malini also told Ruren to rest her arm. Miss Malini juga memberitahu Ruren untuk merehatkan lengannya. Finally, she called Ruren's parents to bring her to a clinic. Akhirnya, Miss Malini menghubungi Ruren's parents, ibu bapa Ruren, untuk membawanya ke klinik. Bring, membawa, klinik. Miss Ruren telah memberi rawatan awal kepada Ruren sebelum ibu bapanya pergi ke klinik supaya bengkak di tangan Ruren tidak serius. Okay, now it's time for you to do your homework. Task number 1. You have to identify the location of the fire extinguishers for sentence number 1, 2, and 3. And then you have to circle the correct answers. Page 67 on your activity book. For task number 2, you have to complete the sentences. Refer to the passage to find out the correct answers. Isikan ruang kosong dengan jawapan yang betul. Jawapan boleh dilihat di dalam petikan yang kita dah baca tadi. Okay, that's all for now, class. Goodbye and good luck for your homework. Bye.